Hi, my name is Naisha Mallet.
My name is Jeremiah Hedden.
Carolina Martinez.
I'm the Fellowship Manager at the Alliance of Nurses for Healthy Environments.
I'm the Climate Justice Director at Environmental Health Coalition.
I'm 23. I am a youth organizer at Uprose, and I've been organizing with Uprose since I was 14. I'm also an artist, and I also teach art at a high school in New York City.
What I am most looking forward to at this convening is the opportunity to meet other grantees with the full knowledge that I am looking to partner. As I mentioned before, collaboration is key, and knowing that these are groups that are on the ground doing amazing work and just thinking about how nurses can show up and support those efforts. I'm passing out cards, I'm having conversations, I'm collecting names. I'm gonna follow up with folks after we leave and make sure that we're able to send some nurses their way and support the work that they're doing on the ground.
In the last 5 years, we worked a lot in building the infrastructure, the network, to realize transit as a climate solution. So transit is a climate solution, yet we didn't have that network. So we were able to establish the San Diego Equity Working Group, a coalition of community-based organizations advancing transit, and as a result, with clear policy, have everyone working on transit. So now we have a narrative, we have the 10 transit lifelines that were integrated in the regional plan, and we actually have a measure to fund the transit infrastructure that communities identify as their priority. And that measure is going to the election in November, in a few weeks. So it's very exciting. And it's the first transit measure in our county.
There's a lot of value with being a part of this initiative. One is like being here and connecting with people. Like we really get to build that deep relationship and collaborate and think about like our relationship on a global and a local lens, right? And that is showing up in different ways for us, that we get to like really focus in on the intergenerational work, really focus in on building those like trainings and building up young people to take those positions of leadership. There's a lot of value with this partnership with Kresge. It has opened up a lot of doors for us and leveraged like a lot of relationships and resources that we weren't able to tap into before, and that we can tap into now. And like we're getting funding and we're doing things with this funding, and it's really changing the scape of not just Sunset Park, but of Brooklyn and New York.
Can you just share one piece of advice you would want to share with the next generation of climate leaders?
Yeah, one piece of advice I want to share with some climate leaders is just like young climate leaders, is that to listen, right? Listen to the stories of our elders, listen to our community, our people. Like that is a big part of why we are not getting things done, is because people aren't listening to the people who have the solutions, but also not listening to the people who are most affected. So as a organizer, as a leader, we have to listen. And I think just thinking about intergenerational leadership, especially while we're here, and that being like a big topic, it's just like, I feel like there's a narrative where they're trying to separate young people from our elders, and by listening and having those conversations and building that relationship back, we can really take this movement to further places, because we have the help of our elders and all the things that they've been through, and then we get to build upon that.